Hello, and welcome to this video on how to meal plan for a healthy week. Planning your meals ahead of time can be a great way to ensure that you are eating healthy, nutritious food all week long. Not only does meal planning save time and money, but it can also help you to maintain a healthy weight, boost your energy levels, and improve your overall health. In this video, we will provide you with some practical tips on how to meal plan for a healthy week. We will cover topics such as how to choose the right foods, how to create a meal plan, and how to make healthy meals that are both delicious and satisfying. So, whether you are a busy professional, a parent, or simply someone who wants to eat healthier, this video is for you. Let's get started. Choosing the right foods. The first step in meal planning for a healthy week is to choose the right foods. This means selecting foods that are high in nutrients, such as fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. It's important to avoid processed foods, as they are often high in calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats. When shopping for food, it's also important to read labels carefully. Look for foods that are low in sugar, salt, and saturated fats. You should also choose foods that are high in fiber, as this will help you to feel full and satisfied for longer. When it comes to fruits and vegetables, try to choose a variety of colors. This will ensure that you are getting a range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Aim for at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day. Creating a meal plan. Once you have chosen the right foods, the next step is to create a meal plan for the week. This can be done in several ways, but one of the easiest methods is to use a meal planning app or website. When creating your meal plan, it's important to take into account your schedule for the week. If you have a busy week, you may want to prepare meals ahead of time and store them in the fridge or freezer. You should also consider your budget when planning meals, as buying in bulk or choosing seasonal produce can help to save money. When planning your meals, try to include a variety of different foods. This will not only make your meals more interesting, but it will also ensure that you are getting a range of nutrients. You should also aim to include a source of protein with every meal, as this will help to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Making healthy meals. Now that you have chosen the right foods and created a meal plan, the final step is to make healthy meals that are both delicious and satisfying. One way to do this is to experiment with different flavors and seasonings. Herbs and spices can add a lot of flavor to your meals without adding extra calories or unhealthy fats. You can also try using different cooking methods, such as grilling or roasting, to add flavor and texture to your meals. Another tip for making healthy meals is to use healthy fats, such as olive oil or avocado, instead of unhealthy fats like butter or margarine. You should also try to limit your intake of processed foods, as they are often high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and calories. Finally, remember to listen to your body. If you are hungry, eat a healthy snack or meal. If you are full, stop eating. By tuning into your body's hunger and fullness signals, you can help to maintain a healthy weight and avoid overeating. Thank you for watching this video on how to meal plan for a healthy week. By following the tips we provided, you can make healthy meal planning a regular part of your routine. Not only will this help you to feel better and have more energy, but it can also help to prevent chronic diseases and improve your overall health. Remember, To choose the right foods. Create a meal plan. And make healthy meals that are both delicious and satisfying. With a little bit of planning and preparation, you can enjoy healthy, nutritious meals all week long. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.